Well, there you go. Clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder, push rod. As predicted, all nice and filthy. So let's clean it all up, strip it down, and replace all the good stuff. Okay. I'm going to go and clean this lot up off camera. And I'll be back soon for the rebuild. Right, so there you go. Everything's cleaned up, looking not too bad at all. So let's get on and fit the piston back. In the kit, you'll probably get one of these seals. Best thing to do with this is put it straight back in the bag and keep it in your spares, because to change that you've got to split the crankcase. So this is a case of if it's not broken, don't fix it. Right. If you are doing this, it's well worth making sure you clean up this this cover, especially if you're running heavy duty springs, because then these are notorious for cracking if that's the case. So I've cleaned it up, had a look. I'm not running heavy duty springs, so I've got no issues there. And next winter this will all be coming apart again anyway, when I have all the cases etc. powder coated. And there we have it, simple as that. Obviously when you fit it back to the bike, just make sure there's no leaks. You'll probably find that this push pin, this push rod, they'll be showing some sort of corrosion along here where it's sort of exposed to the elements and the stuff being thrown up. So you want to make sure that there's no corrosion whatsoever or pitting on this section that enters the engine. But that's good to go. So put those together, ready for fitting back to the bike. Right, anyway, that's all the parts. Definitely needed a rebuild. So I'll go away, clean all this up, and I'll see you back in a little while for the rebuild. Right, so that's everything cleaned up. So let's get it back together. Just make sure we clean off any excess grease from handling. And there we go. One finished clutch master cylinder ready to fit. I won't do a video for the refitting. The refitting is exactly, it's just the reversal, the removal. So straightforward enough. I'll do a video for fitting the new lines. But there we go, job done. It's an easy job, really easy. Things to pay attention on. Make sure that that was already pre-fitted. But if you get a kit parts, just make sure the taper of the plunger goes the right direction. And that's probably about the only thing you can really mess up on. You know, diaphragms, that one was stretched a bit, it wasn't great, so I had a spare, replace that. That's about it really. And then obviously talk bits up as you fit it back to the bike. But that'll sit now, and as soon as my lines turn up I can get on it. So the next job, which will be tomorrow now, is fit the new chain, I think. I'll fit the new chain and then we're pretty much there, we're getting there. Okay, thanks for watching.